got a ridge line set up here. We're going to hang on top. Got this one with that fly, basically 2 sticks, one side, the other off the ridge line, nice off the ridge line, fixed it point in the centre, again off the ridge line, on the back, and it's picked off line, push it big space under, there's no more stuff under there, for shade and for rain, cover, big space.